To create a goal within Google Analytics, you go to Settings, click on Goals, and then from there you can identify what type of lead you want to track. So you click on New Goal, and then Google Analytics will show you a few different templates to choose from. Personally, I just use Custom. You click on Continue, then you name it. So for this, I'm going to write just Test. Now, I typically use Destination because I have a thank you page. So you click on Continue. Now, your thank you page is going to be equal to the final destination that somebody will get to. So for example, on TM Blast, when you fill out the form on my site, you get a unique thank you page that fires the moment somebody successfully fills out that form on the website. So what does that look like? So if you go back one step and you go to goals, this goal right now that's tracking the contact us, this is how it's set up on my site. So again, it's a custom goal set up to track specifically any user who gets to the thank you page. So what does that look like? So if you look at my website, and I wanted to look at it from a landing page perspective and figure out where the leads are coming from based off where they land on a either Google search or from a direct visit or even a referral visit as well, I can see that for the month of July, I have 6 goals, so 6 people have contacted me. 2 have come from the SEO workshop. 1 came from a blog post about Bing rewards, and then 3 came from my homepage. What's important about having goals set up is that you can then back into how many sessions it takes to then get somebody to complete an action on your website. So for example, TM Blast has driven just under 2,000 visits to the site and has a goal conversion rate of 0.34%. So that comes out to 6 people have filled out the form on my site to get in touch with me about either monthly SEO or even the SEO workshop. What's neat too is that if you go down to the conversion section within Google Analytics, you can actually do something called a multi-channel funnel. You can click on top conversion paths. So what's interesting is that in the month of July, 1 person came to my site from organic search, but then need to come back 2 more times via a direct visit to ultimately then get in contact with myself. So if you go back for the entire year, just to show what this looks like, you'll see that most of my conversions that take place need more than 1 visit. So again, somebody finds me organic search, so maybe they search for Boston SEO expert. They land on my site, they're not willing or at that time to, let's say, fill out the form, but they come back a 2nd time or a 3rd time or even a 4th time in general. This is great too if you're trying to figure out what channels you should invest in, whether it's social, paid search, email, etc. You want to figure out exactly what traffic is coming to your site, how they're converting, and then ultimately what you can do to help amplify that traffic to get more leads.